I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying identity and access. This speeds retrieval. Sign in with the account tied to the device, Microsoft, Apple, or company ID, so the system recognizes you. Once signed in, make sure two-factor methods like phone or email are available, because recovery often sends a code. If you control a company device, contact your IT admin immediately so they can authorize key access. This first stage prevents delays and avoids account lockouts, while you proceed to locate the recovery key. Now, find where the recovery key is stored and why that place matters. For BitLocker, sign into your Microsoft account on another device and open Devices Manage Recovery Keys. For File Vault, check iCloud Keychain or the Apple ID Recovery section. If your company uses MDM, request the key from the admin console. Make sure to search password managers and USB drives. Sometimes keys were exported as text. If the laptop is locked, use a trusted device to authenticate and retrieve the key safely. Finally, apply the key to unlock the drive and restore normal access. Type the full recovery string exactly as shown. Do not guess characters. Once the key is accepted, follow prompts to decrypt or reset credentials and create a new, secure backup of the key in multiple places. If the key fails, make sure you use the correct account and network, then try again. If problems persist, escalate to your IT admin or vendor support. They can validate ownership and provide alternative recovery options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.